126 new COVID cases recorded amidst 21.1% positivity rate in Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaica recorded 126 new COVID cases over a 24-hour period up to Wednesday afternoon. There was no coronavirus-related death recorded for a one-day reporting period. The overall coronavirus death toll in Jamaica now stands at 3,239. There was 122 recoveries on the day, bringing the total recoveries to 96,098. The newly confirmed COVID-19 cases brought the total number on record for the island to 149,215. Notably, the island recorded a 21.1% positivity rate based on samples that were tested on Wednesday. Of the newly confirmed cases, 65 are females and 61 are male, with age ranging from 3 months to 96 years old. The case count was made up of St. Catherine 37, Kingston and St. Andrew 29, St. James 15, St. Anne 10, St. Elizabeth 9, St. Thomas 6, Manchester 6, Westmoreland 5, Clarendon 4, St. Mary 2, Trelawney 2, and Hanover 1. There are 20 moderately ill patients, 4 severely ill patients, and 3 critically ill patients among 1,221 active cases now under observation in Jamaica. A total of 105 COVID-19 patients are now hospitalized locally. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.